Welcome. My name is Kelly Caldwell. I am with Classic Belle Beauty, and I am going to do a makeup tutorial today on how to do a quick look and an easy look for, every day. So what I'm going to do to get started is I have a really a broken compact that I'm using to put a 1 pump of foundation. And then I also have this stuff called pearlizer, and I'm doing an equal pump of that. And from there, I mix it together. I usually use the back of a makeup brush just because it's quick and simple. And I'm mixing it together, and it's going to give me that glow and a really good finish. So I like it a lot. I have a mirror off camera too, so if I'm looking off, it's because I'm looking in a mirror, so I know what I'm doing. Yeah, simple as that. Thank you for joining me. I do appreciate y'all. And this is a stippling brush. A lot of brands carry them, or a lot of brands have them. And what I like, this is a Sigma. It is a flat kabuki brush is what it's called, and I think it's like a P80. I'll give a link in the comments. But I also like one from Real Techniques that's really good too. So I just blend, 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 blend. And using a kabuki brush, this flat stippling method, it really gives you a fuller coverage, which is really cool too. Because that's what you want to cover up some of this stuff. And I've had a microneedling treatment earlier this week, so that is what I'm trying to fix and cover up, because I'll be able to exfoliate in maybe another day, and all the dead skin will be gone, which is fantastic, and my skin will be all bright, shiny, and new, and it will take my cleansers and my potions so much better, because clean, healthy skin is where it's at, y'all. All right. So I'm bringing my foundation down my neck, and this blends like up to 3 shades, so you're really good on that too. But that is step 1, foundation. All right, then I'm going to use a eyeshadow color. It is called Rustic Brown. And my rustic brown, I'm going to highlight my eyes and do my eyebrows, because that is what I do next. And again, this is a quick, easy face. This brush that I use to do my eyebrows, it is a precision crease brush from Crown Brushes. I'll drop a link to them in the comments too, because they are amazing. And they're very affordable. That's what's cool too. So I just fill in, and that's a neat little trick too, is that when you get older, you kind of lose some of your eyebrow hair, that it's not as prominent and thick and full as you would like. So, your eyebrows kind of fade. And you can tell the difference this eye to this eye, that it's got that wow factor. And I haven't done it too heavy where I look like I have Bert and Ernie eyebrows, because that's what I call it. And I keep it simple. And I'm using an eyeshadow to do this, but there's brow waxes and a lot of different products. This product I'm using is Senegent Shadow Sense in Rustic Brown. I also have a Mocha Java, and then I even blend a garnet to make the color that I want sometimes. So, all right, y'all have noticed I've kind of like made some boo-boos and some errors. Well, I take that away and I use my finger to clean that up a little bit. This is a cream to powder finish on the eyeshadows, and once it sets, it sets. So, you get there and you're good. But I really like this Rustic Brown because it is more, it's closer to my shade of hair color. And that is looking a little cray. So let's fix that. There. I usually have a brush to do this too, so maybe the next video I will get a little better with that. So that is how my eyebrows look. I really do appreciate everybody that jumps on. It makes me happy. So next stop on this little miracle train, I have done my eyebrows. I can do some contouring if y'all want to see that real quick. We will use, contouring is about shadow and light. So what I do with it, you really want to do it quickly before your, what's the word I'm looking for? I've lost my words. Before your foundation sets, because it helps, it blends it better. And I'm looking through brushes. This brush, I don't know the name of it because I got it in a set and it just works for me. But you blend just under your cheekbone and it gives you just a little bit of definition. Because if you have some chubby cheeks like me, you want to make them look a little slimmer, and that's how you do it. So just one dot. You want to go lighter. Usually I use Mocha Java or a heavier foundation color, a darker foundation color, but I don't have that in front of me, and I wanted to use what I have. So you can see that that just gives a little bit of definition for your cheekbones. It highlights them and it makes them look pretty. So now I am, I do easy peasy makeup, and this is thrown together real quick, but I'm getting closer so y'all can see what I'm doing. I'm making a thick eyebrow eyeliner line is what I'm doing. And then I have a dual-ended brush, also from Crown Brush. It's a AC011 dual blender. It looks like this and this. From there, I just blend it out. Blend, blend, blend. And I'm getting little messages popping up too, so y'all forgive me for that. Maybe I can edit it out in the replay video. Maybe, maybe, maybe. And there. I'm going to use a little bit more. And I just put a dot on my mirror because it's easier to get from there, and then it also keeps my eyeshadow sanitary. So let me get closer so y'all can see what I'm doing. There's phones ringing in the background. It is what it is. Like I said, I've gotten really heavy with that because I don't know who's calling. All right, but y'all see how that has got, we've got some good definition going. And I'm actually going to do the same thing, do a little bit heavier on this eye, blend it out, keep it simple and sassy. So now I have the beginnings of a smoky eye is what I have, but we're going to clean that up a little bit too. And I'm sure it's a telemarketer too. Who knows? We will just fast forward through that little bit. I couldn't make it out. All right. So what I'm going to do now is clean up my under eyes. I go in a different direction and different order than some people, but this is what works for me. And I'm me. So, you know, we just keep it going. All right. This is another dual-sided brush. Cool beans. Another Crown brush because I like them a lot. But this one doesn't have a number on it, so I can't tell you what it is. But we will figure that out and let you know. So what I'm doing, I'm taking the short side. It's in the foundation brush family. But I'm going underneath my eye, And this one is going to clean up what I did a minute ago with the darker eyeshadow. And the other benefit, so I clean up, the other benefit, it gets rid of a dark circle. Score! Because I don't know about y'all, but I get dark circles bad, especially if I don't get good sleep, which Pixie, my devil dog, started crawling all over me like at 4 o'clock this morning, I think. It probably was more closer to 5, but whatever. Early is early in my book. So I have gotten rid, I keep trying to look at myself and I'm working on that goals. But as you can see, the dark circles are gone. So that's a really good thing. And I have a cool little color on my eyes. I'm going to finish up with some mascara. This mascara is the Bomb.com. It is a Senegence product. It's waterproof. It grows your lashes because it has some like growth serum or something in it. I can get you the correct name, but I don't, I don't know all the science stuff. I know what works. And this stuff is the bomb because look at the difference in that, y'all. That's just one coat. Or that's one Kelly coat because, I love mascara and I like Betty Boop eyelashes and eyelashes that go to heaven, and this is how I make it happen. So that is one coat on that eye and nothing on the other one. But my eyelashes, because I've been using this since October, have grown, which is kind of cool too. So I'll do one coat on the bottom because I don't like to have naked lashes on the bottom, but I do not do them as thick on the bottom because I usually make a mess when I'm putting on mascara and it ends up all over the place. And up here, and I'm going to show y'all how I fix that too. But we'll go ahead and do the other eye. And I'm doing this video also for my YouTube channel. And I'm practicing because my YouTube channel, y'all can go on YouTube and join me too and subscribe. I will drop a link to the video when I get it done because that's fun and it's got a little bit more editing and I'm still playing and learning that. What I like to do, if you're noticing this, I get as close to my lash line as possible and then I twirl up with the wand. That seems to make them lift a little bit more, the lashes. And and y'all can already see that I'm making a mess with this. I'll clean it up in a little bit once I get all the eyelash, the mascara coats on there. That's when I'll clean it up. So this is coat number 2. And this is, again, wow factor. Because I really like to play up my eyes. I think my eyes are lips on and show y'all a new lip gloss color that is in stock now that I have. And I think I've got more coming today. And the cool thing that I'm going to show y'all is I am going to use Bella lip color. Bella, Bella, Bella. It's a real pretty color. And I'm going to mix it with that pearlizer stuff I had. And then that's how I'm going to make my blush. So that's what's very cool is that they're so... I mix it together too. Same way that I do the foundation. I mix it up with the pearlizer and the lip scents. And so I create a custom blush color is what I do. And I do 3 dots. And then it's also got some... I found the brush I wanted to use. This is also a crown brush. It is called a Pro Domed Blender. Anybody that's interested in the brushes that I'm using, because that happened. And so now I've got a little bit of a glow on my cheekbone. Same thing on this side. Let's get rid of that mascara. We will use a dot of Candlelight that I've used for the concealer. We'll use a little bit of that to clean up on this video is quickly becoming longer than I intended it to be. I'm using the foundation brush that I had a minute ago and just tapping that on and then blending it out so I get rid of the line and the mascara. So that's gone. Woohoo! And I've got blush on. I've got, oh, I need to clean up right here. I mean, this is just kind of like a easy little fix-it pencil or fix-it brush. Put a little bit of that concealer foundation color you were using and you're good to go. So I've cleaned that up, going right here, cleaning it up here. Now I could go back with another eyeshadow color if I wanted to. I do that sometimes too. I also have this really cool, this is from Thrive Cosmetics. It's a highlighter and I put it right here. And then in the corner of my eye. And I blend that out with my finger because it's quick and simple. And then I have stay proof makeup. We are gonna go with some Bella lip color. And then I want to show y'all, since I've got it right here, this is the gorgeous Sweet Pea lip gloss. And it's just a mauvey pink color. What I'll do first is I'll just show y'all how it looks without a lip color on. And then I'll, in a picture or something, I'll come back and do Senegent's lips. So if you want just a touch of color and a little bit of sparkle, Sweet Pea is really pretty and does that. And it's got vitamin E in it, so it's really good for your lips. It moisturizes, and it's just a little bit of shiny. So I hope y'all have enjoyed this video. If you have, you can subscribe to my channel and see all the makeup videos that I'm going to be doing in the future. And we'll just have some fun, okay? So I hope y'all have a great day. I appreciate you greatly for jumping on and watching and supporting me. And we will see each other soon. Thanks. Bye, guys.